The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus and S24 Ultra official sizes are probably already here. When it rains it pours. The old adage seems to perfectly apply to Samsung's next big things, which are in the news a lot mere days after the official announcement of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5 and a bunch of other stuff, and following months of relative silence on the rumor and gossip front. The battery information for the two larger members of Samsung's early 2024 flagship family is also breaking cover. This appears to be as official as these tidbits can get in the relatively early stages of a new phone's development, originating allegedly from certification documents that may or may not be final, but that definitely look legitimate and sound accurate. If Samsung does not change its mind at the last minute, it appears that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will retain its predecessor's 5000 mAh battery capacity, while the Galaxy S24 Plus will almost certainly make a small but potentially noticeable jump from the 4700 inside the S23 Plus to 4900 mAh cell. These are the normal figures that the firm is likely to use for marketing reasons, corresponding to 4755 mAh for the S24 Plus and 4855 mAh for the S24 Ultra. Before you get too excited about the apparent boost to the S24 Plus, it's crucial to remember that the middle child of Samsung's next-generation ultra-high-performance smartphone range is also projected to increase the screen diagonal from 6.6 to 6.65 inches. That implies that the actual real-world battery endurance improvement may be small, while it is certainly much too early to draw such judgments. The same is true for the same Ultra battery size, which may or may not result in unchanged charging times, particularly with a new and better Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU under the hood, which may or may not have greater energy efficiency. In conclusion, there are just too many unknowns concerning the Galaxy S24 Plus and S24 Ultra for us to forecast how delighted you will be with the user experience in comparison to the already extremely pleasant Galaxy S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.